Welcome to the Software Sensei podcast. Today, we're diving into a fantastic tool for content creators called Perplexity Pages. Whether you're a beginner or looking to streamline your content creation, this episode is for you. Perplexity Pages is a powerful feature by Perplexity AI that transforms how you create content. It turns your search queries into shareable, visually appealing web pages filled with AI-generated content. This tool simplifies content creation and makes it accessible to everyone. One of the standout features is its advanced media integration. Imagine combining text, images, audio, and video seamlessly to create engaging content. Just like a chef blending ingredients to perfection. Perplexity Pages synchronizes media elements to produce compelling multimedia experiences. Another great feature is real-time feedback. As you create content, Perplexity Pages offers instant suggestions to improve your work, much like having a writing coach by your side. This means you can refine and optimize your content on the go. Interactive infographics are another highlight. These are dynamic, clickable visuals that make data more engaging and easier to understand. Instead of static images, you get interactive elements that respond to your actions, helping you remember information better. Instant content updates allow you to refresh your web pages quickly and easily. It's like having a magic wand to keep your site up to date without waiting for someone else to make changes. In conclusion, Perplexity Pages is a game changer for content creation. It combines AI efficiency with user-friendly features, making it easier than ever to produce high-quality content quickly. Whether you're a student, blogger, or business owner, this tool can help you create stunning content effortlessly. Thanks for joining us on Software Sensei. We hope you found today's episode insightful. Until next time, happy creating.